If you want to learn how to blur your video background in Capcut, watch this video. There are two ways to do this blurring effect, but the first method is open up your Capcut, tap on this new project, select your project and add. Now tap on effect, video effect, tap on lens, scroll down and tap on
If you want to
and add. You can increase the blurriness or reduce it by tapping on adjust. You can increase it or you reduce it. So once you are satisfied
If you
with
want to
how
learn
blurry
how
your
to blur your
background
video
is,
background,
adjust this effect to the end of your video. Now scroll to your right and tap on overlay. Tap on overlay again and add that same video. Now adjust it. Tap on the video, scroll to your right, tap on cutout, remove background. The next thing you're going to do is to adjust the overlay clip to align with your initial video. So you should have something like this.
if you want to learn how to blur your video background in Capcut.
Now the second method is tap on this plus sign, come to photos, tap on background, go back to videos, select your video, tap on add. Now same way, tap on effect, video effect, lens. Now scroll down, tap on blur, add blur, adjust it to the end of your clip. You can tap here to adjust it. Now tap on your video, scroll to the right, tap on overlay and add your video as an overlay. Now tap on the video, scroll to the right, cut out, remove background. And once the background is out, tap on your background and adjust it to the end of your clip. For you to see this very well, if you tap on your screen, you pinch and open. Pinch and open. You'll be able to see your user interface very well. So you can now adjust this. Go back, effect, now adjust that blur effect to the end of the clip. You should have something like this.
If you want to learn how to blur your video background in Capcut, watch this video.
Or something
If you
like
want to
this.
learn how to blur your video background in Capcut, watch this video.